The road is interlocked, the drainages are wide, and there's no issue with flooding here. In this video, I'm showing you two different properties in different parts of Lekki Phase 1. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tolu Ademulegun. If you're seeing me for the first time, you're welcome, and if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for coming back again. Today I'm bringing you a beautifully built 4-bedroom house. It's a fully automated home. It has a cinema, it has a pool, it has a rooftop lounge. It's a beautiful house and it's in Lekki Phase 1 in Lagos, Nigeria. So if this is what you're interested in, you need to keep watching and you need to reach out to me quickly because this one is not going to be here for long. This is a mini estate, more like a gated close in Lekki Phase 1, Lagos, Nigeria. It's a secure community and it's highbrow. You must be granted access before you're allowed in. The property we're about to see, the owners are selling. They still have their things here, but they are willing to move out as soon as you're ready for it. This is the property right here. It's a fully automated house. Your gate is automated. You can park 2 cars at the setback and 2 cars inside the compound. Remember, it is a little close and people park their cars outside as well. The house is way higher than the road and slopes outward. You have lights lined up on the fence. The choice of color for the external part of the building is beautiful, and you won't need to struggle to paint this place every other year. Like I said, you can park 2 cars in here and you can walk around your house comfortably. There's space for your generator, your changeover, and also a security house here. There's also a maid's room, an inverter room, and a laundry attached to this building. At the back, which I'll show you later on, you have a stairway to the rooftop lounge. That's perfect for party lovers. This is your security door with full smart features. You have a large picture frame here and your way upstairs. There's a console here, your smart control panel. Look at how under the stairs has been brought to life. It's a beautiful home and this is how they decorated their space. Look at the rectangular and square details everywhere in sets, particularly of 3s, with precision speaking all over this house. You have a beautiful void here with lovely chandelier at the center. Every other shape that shows up pops like the circles. Is anyone feeling the design of this place like I'm feeling it? You have a combination of warm and bright lights, and you can set the mood of the house to fit your preference. This is the powder room or your half bath. The dining area is right here. Can you see the predominant shape in set? Please let me know in the comments section if you see what I see. Right here is the guest room. This family turned their guest room into a kids' playroom. So you can be in the living room and your kids are very much occupied in their own world here. But if you don't have young kids or grandkids all over you, this room can easily be painted to give you back your visitor's room. This is the bathroom. Now we're going into the third door, and this is our kitchen. The chairs, the burner, extractor, your microwave and oven, everything is working. And right here you have your pantry. The kitchen exit. You don't need to worry about water treatment. You have a full water treatment system here, and it's well done. This is the back. Right here is the laundry and inverter room. This is the stairway that takes you to the pool and rooftop lounge. If you have a house party, your guests can actually pass here. Please stay with me, we'll still get to the top from inside. Look at the beautiful wooden stairs and the glass, very clear. The glass rail is nicely done. This is your family lounge. The wall is beautiful. From here, we can capture the beauty of this home. Lovely. Everything here is well done. It's simple and classy. What do you think? To the left, one room. Look at the size. Bathroom. These lights have motion sensors. There's a door stopper behind this door. This is a study room or a home office. You have all the controls here. Your speakers. Another room here. And it's the kids' room. Good use of space. This is the bathroom. You already have built-in shelves. Nice color. Let's move on to the master's bedroom. I'll be fast about this video so it won't be too long. You have your security lock. You can program it to whether you just swipe your hand across and it's open. Please ignore the things in this room. Our focus is on the size and the setup. So much has been done here to make this place comfortable for two. To my right here is the walk-in closet and the bathroom. extra mirrors. That's it for this floor. Let's move on. The cinema. It's set up for a beautiful family. This is the icing on the cake and the favorite spot for most people. This is the pool to the left. It has been drained. The chairs were placed in the pool because there was a party here recently. So for lovers of get-togethers in the house, you can do the same. You also have beautiful lights here. In general, it's a beautiful place. It's private. You can also see the sea from here. Let me zoom in for you. This home is beautiful and it's in a secure community. The price for this home is 600 million naira and the title is Governor's Consent. Don't snooze on this. It's your opportunity to get a ready family home in Lekki Phase 1 and it's in a flood-free estate. This will be your way in if you're having an event up here. Let me walk you around the house before taking a drive to our final location. We're just at the side of the front door. Forget how it looks on camera. I'm walking through comfortably without brushing on the wall. You have the domestic staff's room here. We can't go in because there's somebody in there. This is the way off to the rooftop lounge, the pool area and our party spots. This is a water treatment appliance all covered. Remember, we have the laundry and inverter room here and the door has space for proper ventilation. Don't leave, I have a 2-bedroom off-plan property in a very serene part of Lekki Phase 1. It could be your investment property. Trust me, the developer is a quality developer. I could show you things that he has done in the past. So if you're interested in this one, it's in a serene upscale neighborhood and you are not allowed in without clearance. So stay with me as I drive you through the area a little bit and show you the location of the property. In Lekki Phase 1, you do not have many gated places. This is one of the gated residential environments, so it's an opportunity for you to have your investment here. It's an upscale environment like I mentioned earlier. It is serene. The developer is excellent. He also built the property we just left. If you're interested in seeing some of his unique past jobs as well, I have on my channel. I could show you if you reach me via WhatsApp. Let's quickly drive through before I show you the actual location and 3D images. Remember, it's an off-plan project. If you're not subscribed to my channel, remember subscription is free. On your smart TVs and devices, click the subscribe icon It makes it easier for you to find me another time. Do not forget to click on the notification bell. You'll always be informed when I upload contents. As you watch my videos, play your part, click on that like icon and share with family and friends. Please stay with me as I show you what to expect here. This is the location of the property. There are 3 units of 2-bedroom apartments that will be in front. The apartment is coming fully serviced. It's going to be a smart home. It will have high ceilings, Bluetooth speakers, video intercom system, smoke detectors, fire alarm, inverter, high quality tiles, AC units will be installed, fitted kitchen appliances including refrigerator and washing machine. It's going to have an elevator. It's coming with a backup generator. Remember I said it's a fully serviced apartment. Apartments will have dedicated parking space and it's going to be automation ready. The price for this property is 250 million naira and the title is C of O. Only 2 units are available at the time of this video, so you need to reach out to me quickly. Like I mentioned earlier, it's a quality developer and you can expect quality. The construction time is 12 months and it has a payment plan. It's 50% initial deposit, 40% at roofing and 10% upon completion. How wonderful is this? I have many investment opportunities including high-rise properties. Don't wait to see it on YouTube. Reach out to me via WhatsApp. We can get you what you want. I have come to the end of this video. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for watching. Bye and see you in my next one. Click here to watch the next video.